The federal Medicare program is going to begin sending out new Medicare cards next month, which, as of the day of this recording, that's going to be April 2018. They're doing this because right now, as it sits, your Medicare claim ID number, which is the number on your Medicare card, and essentially your identifier within the Medicare program, for most people is their Social Security number. Unfortunately, in the world we live in, anything that's not screwed down at some point, someone is probably going to try and steal, and your identity is no exception to that. So because of this, Medicare is going to send out new cards to there are roughly 60 million people on Medicare right now. And it seems like anytime there's a big shift or a big movement in a government entity like Medicare, that's very, very enticing to criminals and scammers, and they just seem to come out of the woodwork. So today I'm going to tell you about two specific phone scams that have been reported to me by my clients. One, someone will call and claim to be calling you from Medicare. And let me just stop right there and show you something. This is Medicare's website, medicare.gov, and we'll scroll down here. Watch out for scams. I'm going to highlight this for you. Medicare will never call you uninvited and ask you to give us personal or private information to get your new Medicare number and card. Okay, and in my experience, not only are they not going to call you uninvited, they're just not ever going to call you. Okay, Medicare will usually communicate with you through the mail. Okay, so anyone that calls you and says they are calling from Medicare, that should be a red flag right there. So back to the very first specific phone scam that a couple of my clients have experienced. Someone calls, says they're from Medicare, and that they need your banking information. They need your banking information so they can do a small debit, $13, $14, to pay for your new Medicare card. Your new card is going to be free. So right there, hang up, call Medicare and report that. Medicare's number, by the way, is 1-800-MEDICARE or 1-800-633-4227. So that's the first one. The second one is someone's going to call and they're either going to tell you they're from Medicare or maybe even from your insurance company and say, hey, we need you to verify the information on your Medicare card. Okay, and you want to be really careful with that. You generally want to protect the information on your Medicare card because that's how a doctor or a hospital or an insurance company or anyone would actually bill Medicare on your behalf. So if someone gets that information, what they can do is falsify claims for prescription drugs or durable medical equipment, which they would then sell for a profit under your name. So you don't want to do that. Just be very careful. So I hope this has helped some of you. My name is Trey Jones. I run Senior Benefit Concepts. We are a insurance brokerage where we focus on helping Medicare folks. We do business all across the country. Our specific focus is helping Medicare folks find the best coverage, Medicare supplement coverage at the lowest possible cost. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at my office. The number here is 1-800-520-5560. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.